If you're a UK business involved in R&D activities, you may be eligible for R&D tax credits. However, navigating the R&D accounting process can be complex and confusing. In this video, we'll explore how far back you can claim R&D tax credits, R&D accounting periods, and the timings for startups. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, this guide is a must for anyone looking to maximize their R&D accounting and claim tax credits. How far back can I claim R&D tax credits? In general, you can claim R&D tax credits for the current accounting period and the previous 2 accounting periods. This means that if you are filing a tax return for the year ended the 31st of March, 2023, you can claim R&D tax credits for the accounting periods ending on or after the 1st of April, 2020. What is the R&D accounting periods? R&D tax credit claims can be made for any accounting period that includes qualifying R&D expenditure. The accounting period for R&D tax credits is typically the same as your corporation tax accounting period. Although there are some exceptions, it's important to note that R&D tax credits can only be claimed once, so you need to ensure that you claim for all qualifying expenditure in the correct accounting period. Can you extend the R&D claim period? In some cases, it may be possible to extend the R&D claim period beyond the 2-year limit. This may be possible if there are exceptional circumstances, such as if you were unable to make a claim due to a serious illness, or if the HMRC made an error. However, extending the claim period can be a complex process and requires careful consideration. R&D tax credit timings for startups. R&D tax credits are an excellent way for startups to recoup some of the costs associated with research and development. However, timing is everything, especially when it comes to accounting periods. As a startup, your financial period may be anywhere from 6 to 18 months, meaning your first 2 accounting periods for which you can claim may not be 2 12-month years. Despite the length of your accounting periods, the deadline for filing an R&D tax credit claim will still be 2 years from the end of each accounting period. So, even if your accounting periods are shorter or longer than 12 months, you can still make a claim for R&D tax credits as long as you file within the 2-year window. It's also essential to note that if you started an R&D project before the earliest period for which you can claim, you may still be eligible for tax credits if you are still working to resolve scientific or technological uncertainty in your last 2 accounting periods. So don't hesitate to claim for the expenditure incurred in those periods, even if the project started before then. To make the most of R&D tax credits, it's worth considering changing your accounting period end date to something more appropriate for your business's commercial seasons. For instance, many UK companies find it convenient to use the 31st of March as the end date for their business year, so that it aligns with the tax or fiscal year. This change will ensure that you can claim for your R&D expenditures at the most fitting time. R&D claims outside the 2-year range. If you have missed the 2-year deadline for making an R&D tax credit claim, it may still be possible to make a claim. However, this can be a complex process, and it's important to seek expert advice to determine whether a claim, outside of the 2-year range, is possible and what steps need to be taken. To finish off, optimizing your R&D accounting can help you to maximize your tax credits and reinvest in your business. By understanding how far back you can claim R&D tax credits, R&D accounting periods, and the timings for startups, you can ensure that you are making the most of this valuable opportunity. If you're unsure about your eligibility or how to make a claim, it's important to seek expert advice to ensure that you are making the most of your R&D accounting. From rising energy prices to soaring inflation, UK SMEs are grappling with a number of significant business challenges going into the next financial year. You can't control many of these factors. What you can control is how well you improve your cash flow, prepare for the unexpected, and make the right choice for your business's near-term future. This may be one of the most volatile periods in recent history, but we can help you meet your growth plans through tax incentives aimed specifically for your business. It's easy to speak with us. Click the link in the description to arrange a callback from a tax specialist in our team. We'd love to talk to you, so please reach out for complete peace of mind.